Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to up keyboard sound in iPhone 17 series. So when I'm typing, then showing it to keyboard sound, so you just easily turn up in your any iPhone 17 series. I'm just take my iPhone Air. So this method will be work any iPhone 17 series. Open your settings, click on to general option, scroll down, then we get keyboard option. Okay, then showing it to sound option, just disable this, or if you want to enable or disable vibration, I'm just turn up sound and I'm easily typing without sound.